Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can set up this visual alert to pop up for your students that might have difficulty transitioning to the next activity. And we're going to do this through our Positivity visual schedule. So I'm going to head to my hamburger drop-down button, scroll down to Positivity, and select Visual Schedules. I'm going to select my classroom schedule, but keep in mind you can also set the alerts to pop up for your students through their student schedule, and that way they can access the same strategy through their student login. I'm going to select daily, just so that these changes will take effect moving forward. And I'm going to hit this little crayon icon right here to edit that feature. So here you see the checkbox for alert before ending. I'll go ahead and select that. And then I can go ahead and set the parameters for how many minutes prior to the end of this activity do I want my students to be alerted so that they get the visual cue that we're getting ready to transition. So we can set that to 5 minutes. I'll hit save. And I just set this visual cue for my students so that they know that we're getting ready to transition and help curb some of those challenging behaviors that sometimes take effect around transition time. So check back next week for some more tips and tricks.